Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to download and install Microsoft Office on your MacBook. If you need to use applications like Word, Excel or PowerPoint on your MacBook, follow this simple guide to get Microsoft Office up and running. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, open your web browser. So normally I'm using the Chrome browser. And now you have to type on the address bar office.com. And now normally click on this download Microsoft 365 apps for macOS. And it will start to download. Once the installer file is downloaded, normally click on it. And now click on this continue button to install it. Click on agree. Allow, continue, install, give your password here, click on install software. After the installation is complete, you can find the Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. in your applications folder. So that's all about the guide on how to download and install Microsoft Office on your MacBook. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.